In this video, we will be talking about account value, buying power, and option drag because they all influence one another. What is account value? If all positions were closed, account value is the encashment value. What is buying power? For every $1 that we have in our account, the broker gives us a line of credit of $1, which means that we have $2 of buying power. When it comes to shares, the ratio could be 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, and other ratios in between. To avoid margin calls, the buying power must stay positive. If we incur in a margin call, strategies must be applied to restore the buying power to positive. We tend to use between 50 and 70% of the buying power to sell puts. Why not more? Well, to keep a safety net in order to avoid margin calls at the same time that we make money on the line of credit. The moment we open a naked put, the market assumes these shares will be put to us at the strike and immediately sold to the market at the trading price. This difference is known as option drag. The option drag drags down the buying power. They are directly proportional. The option drag exists only while the option stays as an open position. Share price and option drag move in opposite directions. For simplicity, we won't go into the distinction between the time value and the intrinsic value, which are both components of the option premiums. To see the relationship between account value and option drag, let's imagine that option drag is ice and the account value is water. The share price moves in cycles. Let's call them summer and winter, going up and down. In the summer, when share prices go up, the ice melts quickly and the account value increases. In the winter, when share prices go down, the water turns into ice. The option drag increases and the account value goes down. Let's see it again. Summer. The ice turns quickly into water, that is, the account value goes up and the option drag goes down. Winter, the water turns into ice, that is, the account value goes down and the option drag increases. Find us at Empowered Supernova and www.ticn.ie. For more information, contact us at anna@ticn.ie, ana@ticn.ie. Thank you.